We are so excited for this school year and have a renewed energy for the teaching and learning that will take place on our campus. I am the proud principal of Tanque Verde Elementary School, and my name is Emma Batty.
Hi, and I'm Julie Laird. I'm the assistant principal.
Last spring, we worked with our staff, our families, and community members to really redefine who we are. We talked a lot about what is important on our campus, what we want for our kids, and we want to thank everyone who took part in that process. We came up with a new vision and mission that we believe really details what we do at school and where we want to go together. And we feel it really gives us great direction for this school year.
As we look at what we think will make the biggest impact this year, we looked at the work by somebody named John Hattie, who's looked at hundreds and hundreds of educational studies. And what he's found is that collective teacher efficacy is what makes the most difference in student achievement. And what that really is just our teachers working together as a team to look at data, to decide on what's important for teaching, and just really working as a team. And so they will also be focusing on the clarity within their lessons, meaning that they're going to be asking 3 questions. What are you learning? Why is it important? And how do you know when you've learned it? So for every lesson that they're doing, they're going to be focusing on those questions. And we invite you to ask your children those questions as well when they come home from school. Ask them what they learned. Why is it important? How did they know they've learned it?
We've made some commitments as a staff and for our students. One thing that is very important to us is to have a master schedule with dedicated time for core instruction, meaning we have blocks of time dedicated to English language arts, math, science, and social studies. In addition to those times, we also have something called WIN time, which stands for What I Need. During that time, we provide individualized support based on the data that we've collected that week with our teams. That means a student may be receiving additional support, or a student may be receiving enrichment opportunities. Every week, we also have our team meetings where we focus on the 4 questions. The 4 questions are, what do we want our students to learn? How do we know when students have learned it? What do we do when a student doesn't learn it? And what do we do when a student has already learned it? It's really important that we look at each individual student and provide them with the support that they need. We have a strong focus on community at Tanque Verde Elementary School. We are part of the Be Kind initiative. Each month we honor a student and a staff member for the ways that they contribute to our campus. We have a strong focus on relationships and really believe that it's so very important to encourage, recognize, and celebrate the wonderful things that we see and the wonderful things that kids are doing.
And communication is really important as well. We have 3 ways that we'll be communicating regularly with you. The first one is Remind, which is an app that comes to you as a text. You may get those just from the teacher, or we can send them out to a grade level or even to the whole school. We also have teachers send out a weekly newsletter. You'll likely get that through email. And then Constant Contact, or the Gecko Echo, is our school-wide newsletter that comes out every Friday. Or if we have other important information, it may come on another day, but you can certainly look for it every Friday afternoon. If you're not receiving these forms of communication, please contact our office to make sure we have the right contact information for you.
In addition to how important it is to have strong collaborative relationships on campus, we also think it is incredibly important to have strong relationships with our parents. We appreciate the partnerships we have and look forward to an amazing year together.
Thank you for watching. Have a great night.